Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So guys, today it's going to be me putting on makeup and just not that. My sister is gonna be doing my voiceover. Now anybody who knows my sister, Sassy Shan, this girl right here, she's not a makeup person. She doesn't necessarily know makeup, so this is gonna be quite interesting. So yeah, without further ado, let us get into the video. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be holding up the stuff and she's gonna have to, you know, tell what I'm doing, try and see if she can tell what I'm using as well. So
alright, so she using the comb brush thingy to fix her eyebrow because she never shave it, so she neat it up. Then now she put on the pencil. Now the pencil we use, right, but the pencil will mark up her face. I think I want brown pencil, that me don't know. Should be brown. Should be brown. She neat up the eyebrow like she draw her face, yeah. She drawn the eyebrow again over the other side. Just still fix it. Alright, now she gonna put on, I think that name concealer. I'm saying name, you don't know. I'm saying like that. You don't know. The parties. So she fix up the concealer. She go put it at the bottom, right? She put it at the bottom. Watch me in the background. I walk up and down, but anyway, ignore me. Yeah, she blend out it. I think me get that word there right, cause she smile. And she put it up the top now. Cause she feel, I guess she highlight the eyebrow. So me don't know people, but yeah, she highlight it. Lord, that to make sure quite zombie. But anyway, why I wanna do makeup? Cause me camera gauge, so it's like she color her face, people. Now she using a blended out brush for the eyebrow and the eyelid. So she going to blend out whatever she just put on the concealer. Yes, to make it look in line with our face. Yeah. Alright. She blend it out good too. Alright, me couldn't do so good. So you know what? Now our eyebrows done. You look like she, yeah. Now, I don't know what she do look a while. She must be mark out her face. I don't know. She a dance. Now she take up. Listen, I don't know what that. Some marking for your face. You put an eyebrow on your face. If you black off something. Probably if you black off sun, I don't know. She blend out it again. She blend it out again. Then if I so much work, me have to put on my face. It better me pay somebody do it. Listen, me pay my sister. Can't manage. Alright, she take up one. Me know that word, a palette. She take up one palette with some multicolor eyeshadow. I think eyeshadow in here. Right? And she put on, me not even say what kind of color she put on, me that chat. But she put on one color and she put it on her eyelid. And she blend it out. Right, so I guess she make her, Jesus, how we call them or something, you know. Or eyeshadows. I don't know if a smoky eyeshadow or what, but she make something. I don't know what she do, that's something, she just put on eyeliner. Pink, that's her purple. Purple her favorite color, so me assume it's her purple. And she blend it out. Alright, she looking if it is even. If it even, she move on. If not even, I don't know what she do. She take up the concealer again. Me know that word there, and me know that word there. It alone, me know. The concealer. How much shall I do with it? Wait, me go see. Jesus, how she put concealer on her eyebrow? Me don't know why you're here, man. But anyway, she take up a fishtail brush now and she put it on her eyelid again. Me don't know how she put so much work on her eyelid. For her eyelid, them have too much cake. I have no idea what she's doing right there, so obviously she will make some creation of things on her face. Alright, so alright, she's still a decorator eye, people. So she's still up on the eye. It look good. Talk truth, it look good. Yeah. So she'll make sure say even out and all of these things. You can't have one side lower than the other. So she'll check her face, as you can see in the video. Alright, now. Pencil. No. It look like pencil. You can't see them people. It's so much work. Alright, so it look like her eye. She take up her mascara. No, it's eyeliner. Sorry. Ooh, it's eyeliner. She going to draw on the black part on her eye to make it look like a fairy eye them. Yes. Listen, that must be name oil. Me no know. So it moisturize her face when she put on the makeup. It go on flat and nice. You see, she rubbing it in now to make sure that it is all over her face and well secure. I don't know if I saw any name, but I'll make a live. You come. Alright, now she put on the bump either. I don't know what that name. I don't have too much name for makeup. So she got hide all of the bump them. Or the concealer. Oh, the concealer the same thing. And she hiding. She gonna use it to hide the black spot them, yeah? Now she took up her blending brush. I blend it out. Make sure say it's gone. You know? Right? Yeah. So I put her eye. I don't know why she work. Must matter. Anyway, she take up the face mud. No, she's going to put the face mud on her face to ensure that her face is caked with mud. She train it on the brush to blend it in. Right, so she a blend on the mud, people. The face mud in and the dirty one and the clean face mud. You know the people them, the expensive social ones them, where the people them wear. And she put it on, it makes her face look a little brighter. Yeah. She go from bottom to top, I see, and around. And you notice, people, she patting, she not scraping like how me normally do. She patting on the makeup so that it is well blended in, right? One next now. She's not to be showing me about that, but anyway, she must see a conceal sitting under her eyebrow. No, she highlight her eye, right? So you can see it more on her nose bell. Yeah, and her chin, so you can see them there something there more. Now she'll go blend out it. I don't know if I blend it all, but I blend. Woo, people are gonna laugh at me today because I don't know about this. But anyway, let's continue. She'll blend out it to make sure it even out, you know. You know, say actually work because I see your eyebrow more. And your face shape more. They actually work. But anyway, she take up now want something where when it wet it come big. I remember her name. And she go and put on the what that day. I don't know what that the people must see one dust. One face dust, me call it. it is used to highlight your eyes again or your chin. Somewhere on your face you use the highlight if you see. So yes, she put it the same place, so she just put little while and her eyelid them, and oh, she make it face. So now it is used to highlight the whole face, so that it is it's more enhancement, give more enhancement. Listen, me don't know what that, but I know she just take out something and she a blend it in. Listen, she has stressed me, people come in and know them there's something there, she lost me. So I don't know what she put on after she put on the dust mask, but she put on some things, and yeah, and she brush it out. Yeah, she brush out something them. Listen, if I so much work me have to do for my wedding, me have to ready for 6 o'clock, because me take long for bed. But anyway, she brushing, and you notice she have to brush from the ears come straight down to her neck, because she don't want to look white up at top and white. You will look like you're bleaching, so she have to blend it out good. Alright, she take up now. Me don't know what that. Wait, we say my put it first before me tell her what. Me don't know what people. I must see cheek brush. At the cheek brush them. Ever watch a show and you see people them cheek redder? I must see that. So she put on her face, you know, for get a little highlightness of the face. Right, so now that are the spray in water. The one where set the makeup, me know that one day. And she a fan it to make it dry, yeah. Me don't know about that, people, but I want a fan brush. Oh, that's the blush spray. And that's the blush now. And that's the blush. Yes. So she put it on now when she smile, you go hear bling. Yeah. I eat that. So her makeup done. No, her makeup not done yet. She a fix up something up at top there. Listen, I don't know what she a do. And she put in on lipstick. No, not lipstick, that a lip liner. Alright, what next? Now that's a edge control. Me know that she got control the edges them and pretend she have baby ear. Control the edges them. Yes, goodie. Control the edges. Yes, babes. Yes, goodie. Your edges them well laid. Yes. Yeah. Alright. Goodie. Yes. Yes, goodie. And then she shaping it. Yes, and make sure look like smuddy. Yeah. So when she done that, now her makeup done and she good to go. That take her about half an hour. Good.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, because I know this is gonna be funny. My sister don't have much sense and she don't know about makeup. I say this in front of her, so she, you know, she can't kill me. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget guys to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Share with your friends, your families, children, grandchildren, just about anybody. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.